Hello, and welcome to this edition of EdTech Shorts, proudly brought to you by VSTE and UnisNEDU.org. I'm Patrick Hausammann, the founder and executive director of UnisNEDU.org, as well as the treasurer and board member of VSTE. This edition of EdTech Shorts is going to bring you some of my favorite keyboard shortcuts to save time, and in particular, keyboard shortcuts in Google Workspace. One of the main ones that I point out anytime that I would share anything about Google Workspace and keyboard shortcuts is the keyboard shortcut of Control ? Or Control /. And you'll notice that when I hit that, I'm going to see every keyboard shortcut that fits for, in this case, Google Docs. As I scroll down, you're going to see some things that go across other apps, but these are specific to Google Docs as well. So you're going to see some things that you may not know that are only going to work within Google Docs. If I jump over to Google Drive, do Control / or Control ? Again, I'm going to see things that are made for that app. It is all searchable, and I can even go to the Help Center and see that list all on one website if I want. One of my other favorite keyboard shortcuts, if I accidentally close that tab, I really need that tab, Control-Shift-T is going to bring back the last tab that was closed all the way up to 10 tabs that have been closed recently in the order that they were closed. It has saved me more than once when I've been doing a presentation, a team meeting, anything where I've accidentally closed that one tab a little bit too early. Control-Shift-T brings it right back for me. And I'm not going to go through this whole list, but it'll be coming out in a blog post, and we'll make sure we link it into the description within the YouTube video when this gets posted as well. But there's one other keyboard shortcut that I definitely want to point out because it's one I use nearly every single day. And that comes in when you're copying and pasting. So say I want this section right here from the UnisNEDU website. I want to copy that, put it into an email so it's something I don't have to type all over again. I'll use my Control-C to copy it. And if I come over to compose an email, I'll come down into the body. And if I just do Control-V, wow, it's the text I wanted, but it is definitely not the way I wanted it. So we'll do Control-Z, wipe that out, and this time we'll do Control-Shift-V instead of just Control-V. Again, that's Control-Shift-V, and we'll paste it in without any of the formatting it had before, matching the formatting in our destination, in this case, the body of an email. That text is much more workable now, much easier. I can reformat a little bit if I want, but I don't have a ton of extra space and a ton of formatting to fix, just a little bit with that one little keyboard shortcut hack. Again, this will be coming out very soon in a blog post. We'll also link it into the description of the video, and you'll have a PDF of the guide linked in so that you'll have all the different keyboard shortcuts here, as well as clickable links to every one of the pages talked about for the various keyboard shortcuts. And you'll notice there is a bonus section down here at the bottom that are those keyboard shortcuts like Control-Shift-V that'll work outside of Google, obviously in Windows. On a Mac, substitute Command for a lot of the times you see Control, and you'll be off to saving some awesome amounts of time with keyboard shortcuts. Make sure you continue to check back to UnisNEDU and VSTE for more EdTech Shorts videos. And remember, this guide and the blog post will be ready for you very soon at unisnedu.org/blog. You can head there now, subscribe on the screen, and you'll get that email update as soon as it's posted, and you can get your hands on the guide. Thank you.